today? Hi Grace, how may I help you? We are planning to construct a factory with 75 kilonewton in kawasan industri in Semarang, Central Java, Indonesia. That's great. Come, let's move to the construction site. I have some doubt in choosing for suitable ground improvement method for soft soil. Madam, please don't mind to share with the suitable ground improvement method for soft soil. Sure, usually for soft soil, more suitable method is PVD, which is prefabricated vertical drain, is also known as big drains. Oh, I see. Can Madam explain more detail about this method? This method typically used in soft saturated fine grained soil such as silt, clay, peat, and dredge fields with big pore capacity and normally filled with water.
Why we choose PVD? PVD is one of the most suitable methods to overcome the problem of compressible saturated soils like soft clay. PVD can improve the permeability of the soil and brings upon faster settlement. The soil particles become closer to each other, making the flow of water hard to penetrate, thus making the soil become more strength. This is because as the pore water drainage path is shortened, the soil consolidation takes place in weeks instead of years. And together with surcharge, PVD can considerably reduce the time of soil settlement. Consolidation reduces the volume of water in the soil, thus making the soil stronger and less clayey.
Weak drain, also known as prefabricated vertical drain installation machine. It is a soil improvement machine that to be used for quick consolidation of the cohesive soils. The machine consists of hydromotors, sprocket gas, mandrel, and a high-frequency vibro hammer. The machine is very useful to drain water in the cohesive soil, thus liquefaction risk minimal and settlement time higher than standard procedures. You can refer the structures and names of the parts of the machines in the pictures that I attached here. Weak drain operation procedure. The hydromotor driven sprocket gas insert mandrel with PVD into the cohesive soil until hard formation. The operator can use high frequency vibro hammer if necessary to insert mandrel deeper. Mandrel insert the PVD up to desired depth and drain stays in the soil, then empty mandrel pull out and refill with PVD and insertion process starts again. You can see the operation procedure in the video I attached here.
PVD installation. Step 1. Installing the prefabricated vertical drain involves encasing the PVD material inside a hollow steel mandrel. The mandrel must first be driven into the ground by a stitcher. A vibrating force called the stitcher is fastened to a carriage for an excavator. Install the PVD roll on the leader side and feed it through the steel mandrel. At the base of the mandrel, a steel anchor plate is through which the PVD is looped. To firmly hold and retain the implanted PVD at the proper depth, the anchor plate will be installed simultaneously into the compressible soft soil at a consistent speed. As instructed, take the mandrel off the ground and trim the PVD with a 300 mm, 500 mm, or 600 mm margin. For the duration of the installation process, repeat each step. When installing the drain within the specific radius, make no more than 2 attempts. If the drain still couldn't be placed after 2 tries, we can think about moving it closer to the factory.
That's about the installation process. That's cool, madam. One more thing. Can you clarify for me what are the advantages of PVD method?
Nice question. There are several advantages. For example, high-speed installation and accelerated drainage and in-turn construction schedules. Moreover, it can also be installed underwater and in a non-vertical orientation conventionally.
How to choose the suitable brand for PVD?
Not all products are similar. While selecting the drain, the engineer should consider not only price but also the weather properties, is suit the soil and need of the project. Next, different manufacturers can use different methods to determine a specific property. Therefore, the specification given by manufacturers cannot be compared directly. Engineer should check the specification by conducting independent quality control test.
Good information. Thank you, Madam Jack, for your precious time.